Absolute sense of taste. What? No, I can't do that. I don't want to intrude. Oh, wow. What a gorgeous house. Oh my gosh. So you're both from a good family, Daichi-kun? Thank you. Are these different kinds? I smell citrus. This is Darjeeling. This is a sweet smell. Assam. It smells refreshing. This is Nilgiri tea. They're all quite different. I can smell the plains of Hokkaido. It's like menthol. And plus this bitterness. Sora Senpai, the correct answer is not one of the three. There's a bit of uba in this, right? But uba gets too bitter, so you can leave it in only for a little bit. I think this one was in 30 seconds too long. This is my gift. How come you know about my parents? The director, a fan of Mom and Dad? Daddy, Mommy, they both connected me to this academy. I want to fulfill their dream, but I wonder if I can stay here. I didn't sleep well. Huh? Senpai, Daichi, there's a fire! What? This is for me? It's been a while since someone made something for me. It's really good. To thank you, I'll make a dessert that goes well with tea. My mom and dad used to make it for me. I still don't know if I can stay here at this academy, but I want to stay and make more memories with these two. These are chocolate macaroons. Oh, Hagio-sensei? Yeah, I can't come back. It's okay. The director arranged it so I can stay in the dorms. Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm sorry, Hagio-sensei. When I go home, I'll have a true smile on my face. Daichi! Hurry up or you'll miss the opening ceremony. Come on! Let's see. Okay. Good morning! They're still ignoring me. Oh! Ow! Akane. You're the one who lied, pretending to be my friend. Senpai!